In this video, I wanted to share with you guys this geodesic container. It's based off of a geodesic dome. And what I've done is I've designed it using a program called Rhino that has this ability to create a script. And I've scripted this to be able to change all of the design parameters using sliders. So here we have subdivisions of 4, but you can also increase the triangulation or decrease it depending on what outcome you want. And then here, even the size being 130, we can also decrease that. So that's what makes it useful to create a script like this. Now, it does look a little bit complicated, but all it is are the same steps that I would take inside of Rhino and working them out within components, inputs, and outputs. So now let's take this, let's bake it. And now let me show you here what this looks like in section. So if I bring this over here and create a clipping plane and create a vertical section, I can show you here that the idea also for this design was to make it fully printable without any supports, and also being able to change the thickness to make it more rigid, and also to speed up print times. You can also make it thicker to make it more sturdy. What I'll do here is I'll create a few iterations and have it available for you guys to download completely for free. So I'll have the 3D printable model for free. I'll also have the script, and that will be available for a limited time. I just wanted to share with you guys some of my design process here. And if you have any questions or would like to learn a little bit more about this, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about creating designs using tools like Grasshopper.